Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, the product specialist with Camping World, and today we're going to go over the 2018 Colt 172 RB. If you're looking for a smaller, kind of teardrop shaped camper, this is a great one. It has a huge rear bath, giving you a lot more space than you normally get in this size RV. Right up top here, you'll see the roof mounted AC unit too. Folks, this will make sure it stays nice and cool in here. Easy to set the thermostat here as well, and then you can adjust the fan or the coolness there too. On both sides, you have rows of LED lights, so it's nice and bright in here. Plus, LED lights use a fraction of the power as your standard incandescents, and they don't put out near the heat. If we take a look at our Campside, one of the things you'll notice, you have a TV here on a swivel mount, so whether you're in bed or at the dinette or cooking, you're able to swing that out and have a good view of it. Right next to that is your little multimedia center there. This guy's great too. Has HDMI port, USB port, auxiliary port, all sorts of ports, and it's also Bluetooth capable. That one will control the speakers in here as well as the ones outside. My favorite part about the Colt though, what kind of sets it apart in my opinion, makes it very unique, are the cabinets. I love these cabinets. They have rounded wood on here. You'll see it's two-tone and hidden hinges. It just looks really classy. You open these up, you see the nice open storage going all the way across. Right underneath that, as I mentioned, the LED light, the two speakers there. Big window right here, and I enjoy this too because it's on the Campside. They give you the Campside dinette. Folks, this is where I'm gonna sit and enjoy my morning coffee or have my breakfast, and this is the view I want, out to my campsite, not out at my neighbors. The other cool thing about the dinette is if you need additional sleeping space, even though this is a smaller camper, you have it. This table, you simply remove the legs, drop the table down, sits on the rails, take the back cushions, put them on top, and that creates your extra bed. Granted, if you're an adult, you'll probably have to curl up into the fetal position to be able to sleep on it, but it is an excellent extra bed for any kids. Making our way back a little further here. So your entry door is there. Take a look at this. As soon as you walk in, I love that. You have a coat closet. You can hang up your jacket, sweatshirts, whatever else if you're doing some cold season camping. If not, hey, maybe you can use that as extra wardrobe space too. Whatever you want to do. You can put shoes there on the bottom. You also have a drawer there, and directly underneath is your furnace. As I mentioned, right back here is your bathroom. Take a look at the size of this bathroom, folks. This is just, in this floor plan, it really sets it apart. Most of the time in this type of RV, it's a sidewall bathroom. It's usually a wet bath, but certainly not the case here. You have the neo-angle shower with the hand wand. I'll step in here just to give you an idea of height. I mean, it is a little tight. I'm 6 foot. I have to duck down a tiny bit, but if you're shorter or you don't mind, then this is certainly an excellent shower there. Over here to the side, you have some room if you want to throw some magazines or something in there. Foot flush lever toilet there. When I take a seat, you certainly have plenty of room. Directly in front of me is your sink top, electrical outlet there, and you see you have additional storage underneath. On the off-door side here, the Colt 172 has a slide out. Not only does this open the space up, but it also allows for a big kitchen countertop. You'll see you have all this extra space back here, which is cool because that way if you want to set up like a blender, toaster, coffee maker, you have a spot to do it, and you have electrical outlet right there in which you can plug those in. A window too helps bring in natural light, and you have a recessed cooktop cover right up front, meaning that you can use this as prep space. But if you do need to cook, not a problem, you just lift that up, it'll reveal your 2-burner cooktop, plus the glass doubles as a backsplash. Right next to that is your single bowl stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet. If we take a quick look underneath, you see you have storage there, and you have an additional drawer right here. You also have an LED light up top to brighten your kitchen up, and additional storage going across the top, so you have some good additional pantry space. Right over here is a convection microwave, and in this coach I think it's brilliant. Otherwise, if you have an actual oven, you lose a lot of storage. So this is 2-in-1. It's your microwave, it's your oven. Honestly, your convection cooks faster than your standard oven, and it's easier to clean. Right underneath is your Norcold fridge freezer unit there. You'll see right here you have the drop-down freezer. Yeah, but this works great. You need to have some cold storage in an RV. There it is. Your controls are right on the front, quite simple to use. As we make our way to the very front, this of course is your queen bed. It does come with some pillows, which is great. You have windows all the way around letting in natural light. LED light there. And if you take a look underneath, you'll see you also have an electrical outlet in case you need to plug in a CPAP machine or cell phones at night. Now that we've seen the inside, let's take a quick look at the Colt 172 outside. Right up front here is your 20-pound propane tank with the cover. You need to get in there, just undo the thumb screw, lift it up, and you can see your tank right there. Behind that, you have rails here for your battery. And then coming up the front, you'll see you have this kind of etched diamond plating on the front, which helps protect the front end from some of the rocks and debris that get thrown up by your tow vehicle. You'll also see the window right here, which again lets a lot of natural light into the RV. And this is one-piece fiberglass from the front all the way up and over and down the back. That's great because the less seams you have, the less chance for any water intrusion. Another cool thing about the Colt, this is a lightweight RV and it's only 6.5 foot wide. So if you're towing it with a smaller tow vehicle, that means less wind hitting it on the side, plus you generally don't have to get mirror extenders to see down the sides of it. Right over here is solar prep. If you want solar, great. Buy some portable panels, plug them in right there. It's already pre-wired for you, so it will start to trickle charge your battery, getting you ready to do some serious boondocking. Right over here is the pass-through. It's magnetic, so it stays up nice and easy. You take a look in there, you have good storage. You have an LED light right over here. You also see you have a storage spot for your wand for your awning, which I will show you in just a moment. Right underneath that, you have your sewer hose storage compartment. So that way your sewer hose isn't rolling around up here with your pass-through. Just pop that open, put your sewer hose right in there, and it has its own convenient place. You don't have to worry about it. You want to plug some stuff in outside, that's the place to do it. Dual electrical outlets there. Right up top, these are the two outside speakers I mentioned earlier. Again, those are controlled by that multimedia center, but as I said, that unit is Bluetooth capable. Up top, this is the Thule awning. So you just take that wand I showed you in there, you put it right up here in the corner, twist it out, folks. It's super fast and easy to use. Plus you have the LED light strip there underneath. This is a great thing to have, especially on this type of RV. I really do like the Thule awnings. When they come out, it does have arms for extra stabilization. You just put the arms in right there. This is your main entrance into the coach. Well, the only entrance really, but single fold-out step here. It's all you need. It's a low-profile coach. Sits low to the ground, which is what you want when you're towing a lightweight RV. Plus, it has the foldable grab handle on here, so you have excellent control when entering or exiting. If you look at the wheel there, you'll see it is aluminum alloy. So not only does it look great now, but it will continue to do so because the aluminum will not rust on you. When you come around to the back side, I just wanted to kind of re-emphasize. I talked about the one-piece fiberglass. You can see up top there, it's that radius, and it comes all the way down here, just the one solid piece. Right back here, you have the little hitch there. So if you want to hook up a bike rack, you can do that, a smaller one of course, or a spot for a spare tire. You can put that in there, have your spare tire ride right back here as well. Right here on the off-door side, you have your black tank flush, making it nice and easy to wash out that black tank. Directly underneath that is an outside shower with both hot and cold water access. You'll see your termination directly below that. That is for your black tank. The gray tank is actually in front of the axle. You'll see up above the wheel well there is your 30 amp detachable power cord. And in front of the slide, you have both your city water inlet as well as your fresh tank fill. All right, folks, that wraps it up. Again, this is the 2018 Keystone Colt 172 RB. If you're interested in this RV and you'd like price and availability, simply click on the link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and let's go camping.